Hi, today we're going to go through a step-by-step process of how to access the NCLEX test plan. First, search ncsbn.org and arrive to the main page. This is the website for the NCSBN, which stands for the National Council of State Boards of Nursing. This is the organization responsible for developing the NCLEX. The NCLEX creates a test plan every 3 years that divides the exam into testable categories. It's a great resource to guide you through your NCLEX preparation. Once you're on the NCSBN website, you'll click on the NCLEX and other exams link. On the panel to the left, you'll see a link for test plans. When you scroll, you will see downloadable versions of both the RN and PN test plans. This is essentially the blueprint for the exam and has useful information such as distribution of content on the exam, and you can even see the laboratory values that you need to know for your test. We've been mentioning these frequently in our YouTube live streams. By using the Find feature in your browser, you can use this information to narrow down what you should review while preparing to test. This is available at every student's fingertips, so make sure to utilize these resources because they're there to help you. Best of luck and happy studying!